here at Construction Junction, and here's what they have in terms of fans. Selection has been very nominal. Pavilion, it's probably $15. It's missing the Northern Harbor, otherwise I would get it. Excuse me. I know year it's probably an older one. Got the one in 1997. That says 1996. I think 97 when they put the wider fence on it. View fan. Sears Emerson might get that. I'm not sure if I still have the what is it, the not for one. I may have to part it out, but it doesn't have the badges on it like the one I have. But no, this is not more. No, it's a crest. Sorry, it's a crest. This is SMC Park Avenue variant, and that is a cheap thing. This is a Hunter Coastal Breeze. Oh, would you look at that poor dimensions? Poor dimensions. Let's just look at it. Somebody broke the blade off it. Absolutely. Yes. Can't really use it for much. These are a little bit more organized from when I came here last. Oh, Hunter. Oops. I'll go on my prototype thing. Now I can finally complete it. Okay, it's blades. Nothing really vintage here, but let's have it, shall we? 100 blades. They're in good shape. Oh wow. Looks like it goes with some cheap here. This is the red. Blades. Looks like a Casablanca badge. Let's see what it is. Some other. No, it's not Casablanca, but it looks nice, pretty badge right there. Those are CEI blades given the promise. I might just can't think today. Another Hampton Bay crap. Like Casablanca blades. Here it is. Hunter blade. Oh, original blade. They actually don't have the. What sucks is they don't have original here. Really, that does suck. The Hunter blades. They go to like San Marino blades. Hampton Bay San Marino, mind you, the crappy one. Redington blade. Verde. They don't quite have the selection that they used to. I'm going to get these. Debating about that Emerson, but they don't have. Can't find the mounting over there. I don't like this better. Coast reading, they're all too common. What's the kind of hard is this? It's kind of like cheap. When I wear a wig, I can't remember what it is. But anyway, let's have a look at it. I don't know, it's got a probably hung in a dining room or something like that. I don't know if the 9 hardware's there. It's like a 42. It's got like a big motor for like a 42 inch. I don't know if it's universal or not, somebody can tell me. All I know it's a bunch of lighting. Oh, some commercial lights right there. Can't believe how big they are. I don't know what this is. This is making cute fans, but I think it's kind of cool, the GE bag. 5-way 42-inch fan with sensor blades on it. If I can see the tag or not, but oh, cool sconces. Sort of doors. Nice bevel glass. Broke some today, not on purpose, but they had the one I was looking for. By golly, I'd get it. So I had to open here vision. Sometimes they do. Sort through this here. Oh, cool. We have controls here. Box. I don't know what's in there as far as this goes. Okay, let's see. Still debating about that Emerson. Still debating about it. I don't know, I can't remember for the life of me if I bought the canopy from 1895. I put it out. If I do, I will use it. Make a microphone out of it. Sinks right there. Kitchen goods. What is it? Is that a dishwasher? I don't even know what it is. Oh my gosh, it is a dishwasher. Oh, Mia, I don't know if anybody knows. Oh, there's where the dishwashers are at. How the heck do I get there? Isn't it very complicated? $15 for a dishwasher. That is unbeatable. That's $50. That Aska, I never heard of it. Tables. That looks like it came from the 70s.